Here we have a new project for the channel. 1965 F600 was originally bought by U-Haul as a service truck, and then as a couple towing vehicles. It had a rollback ramp on it, but it was gone when I bought the truck. It's been in Arizona since new. There's a little front shot. You can see the grill on this thing is absolutely mint. Truck now has a 73 391 FT engine in it. It was supposed to have been rebuilt at one time. It looks like it's at least had a valve job or upper end on it. Haven't checked the compression or anything on it yet here. It was last owned by Snow's Towing in Tucson. It's just a 5-speed gearbox. It's got a 2-speed rear end on it. So the plan is to see what it'll take to get it running and driving. The brake pedal does go to the floor, so it'll obviously need at least a master cylinder. I pulled that off so I could get the proper size for it.